just chilling out at the house, being productive, getting stuff done, and then my ADHD kicked in, and I had the sudden impulse to try slacklining. Apparently you're not supposed to use ratchet straps. There's no slacklining police here to stop me, so, I mean, how bad could it be? Here's a couple trees I'm thinking about, but then there's those two trees right there. I don't know what to do. There's literally any tree that I could slackline between. I'm just not. Oh, that's a good one. So I'm feeling a little bit dumber than usual, but I didn't measure to make sure that my slack line was long enough. Alright, there's 1 foot in front of the other. Okay, we're good. New high score! Yeah! Oh gosh.